What up? This is your boys, nigga nation. I represent the nation of the gods. Yeah, we up again. We here to spread the awareness. As you know, yeah, we're growing. Siyabonga nje abalandela leli page, because leli page which is gonna impact umhlaba. Siwunyakazisa ngempela umhlaba bafethu, sithembeni na ukuthi nisisize. So indlela enosisiza ngayo, you have to like that page, subscribe, and please hit that like button, subscribe, and follow up, comment, and yeah, as we always says. So namhlanje we wanna touch a topic at consciousness. What is the consciousness? Consciousness it's something that is there within us and it's out there with universe, because the universe is also alive, iyaphila, inomqondo, inemizwa, yeah. So everything nje khona la ngaphandle iyaphila, first iyanyakaza, inomphefumulo, inomoya ophilayo kuyona, you know what I mean. Ngisho ungathatha amatshe wahlanganisa, uthatha isihlahla usitshale kube yila uthandaza khona, leyo nto isuke usuyivusile, iyaphila if ukholelwa kuyona, because isihlahla siyaphila, sinomoya, amatshe anomoya. So leyo nto izokulalela, izokuphendula, but kudinga ukuthi uyithembe, uyenze leyo nto yakho over isikhathi eside, you know what I mean. So what is happening is consciousness yakho is what you become, and it's what you connect with, and what shapes your reality, and it becomes your identity, you know. Kuningi nje okwenzakalayo which people are not aware, and baya-react. Abanye they're not aware ukuthi impilo yabo isebenza automatically, and you know it's crazy because sikhohlisiwe laba fethu, kuningi esilimazwe ngakho emqondweni, yabo, and asikho aware ukuthi all is mind, and it is mind over matter, and so above, so below, oyikho ngaphakathi, kuyikho ngaphandle, what you are, you becoming. So reason why izinto oyibukayo, izinto oyilalelayo, abantu okhuluma nabo, izinto oyikhulumayo, izinto oyifundayo, iy'ngoma oyidlalayo, they relate to your life, because they keep on shaping in your life, and when you become familiar to that, it becomes part of your life. Itora masope nwabukayo, it's why nine drama emakhaya, all that stuff, and you're not being told about those things. Kunama forces akhona, ama energies are negative, la ngaphandle nama forces akhona are positive. So your energy, your frequency, and your vibration, and bona, the more wena lowo muntu, the more ihlanganisa nalowo ma energy, lowo ma frequency, lowo ma vibration, and it becomes part of you, it becomes your life, becomes your reality, which is said, you know. Kufana nomuntu ekutshela ukuthi mawuza kuye uzothwala, yena ukuvusela into efile, into engaphili, eyenze iphile. Leyo nto leyo maseyivusile sekungeyakho, yena akasahlangene nayo, because wena le nto uyisukele iyenze njani, iyithulele, ingenamoya, ingenamcabango. So uma wena sekunika yona, siyaqala siyakutshela yona leyo nto ukuthi idlani, ngasikhathi sini wena kumele wenzeni, uxhumane nayo, or uthandaze kuyo, or ukhulume nayo, or unikele ukuze ikwazi ukukwenzela imali. So yes, it's part of i-consciousness yomuntu, it's part of i-consciousness ye-universe. Yena usuke selivusela ama-energies akhona, which is there, out there kwi-universe, and wena kumele uhambisane naleyo mthetho manje, ngamanye amazwi ku-align ne-cosmic law, you know what I mean. Abantu abamnyama mfethu babehlakaniphe kudala mfethu, abantu abamnyama babehlakaniphe kakhulu, i-science yabantu abamnyama they understand i-science, they understand i-astronomy, funda ngey'nkanyezi ukwazi nge-universe, and they understand nature as a whole, i-balance, iqiniso, cause what you are kuyiqiniso, akukusikwa manga, oyikho kuyiqiniso, okuyikho ngaphandle kuyiqiniso. So yonke into eyenzakalayo iyiqiniso mfethu, i-universe, ingqondo yakhe ayiwazi manga, yonke into eyenzakalayo iyiqiniso. So umuntu uphila ngeqiniso lakhe, you know what I mean? So yeah, i-awareness nje bekuyilapho ukuthi let's be careful of our attention where we put the energy to the people that we hang around, because yazi if you can dedicate your time and try to do something productive, something positive, and you give your all and you focus on it, you try to read, watch videos, get a mentorship about this thing, and you write, as they say, Uto is a god of wisdom, of writings, of mathematics, because the universe as a whole in ama mathematics patterns, izinto ziyayiphinda. Bokubuke emaqabunga ezihlahla kanjani, ubuke i-order yezihlahla ukuthi izihlahla uma uye emahlathini zihlangene kanjani. That's order, bro. Ubuka amanzi indlela ahleleke ngakhona, that's order. I-universe, i-order ye-cosmic leyo, or i-cosmic order. And ubuke wena iy'nwele zakho, ubuke umzimba wakho, iminwe yakho. Yeah, kunezinye izinto nje mfethu which we have no control ezikhona out there, which was created ezi-advance, like ukuphefumula kwakho wena you don't control ukuphefumula kwakho, ukudigest ukudla kwakho ukucontrol, ukukhula kwey'nwele zakho ukucontrol. Kuningi mfethu ongakucontrol, but when you wanna control your life, you won't control your life because awunawo ama-powers okucontrol impilo yakho, but wena unawo ama-powers okushape impilo yakho. That's your free will, and God created the universe and created the life and creator impilo. Out of that life wa-creator wena, create iy'lwane, iy'hlahla, and wena as umuntu wakunikeza i-free will to shape your reality, you know what I mean? Because when you can change any situation on a free will, from ukuba isidomu uyakwazi ukuhlakanipha, ukusuka emsindweni uye ekuthuleni, lokho kusuka kwi-chaos uye kwi-order, ukusuka enzimeni uye empilweni elula. Wena une-free will yokushintsha i-situation yakho. So lokho okunye is not your punishment, unzima, ukuhlupheka akusiyi-punishment, it's life lesson. Ikufundisa leyo nto ukuthi no, i-situation yakho, isimo sakho kumele usishintshe. So i-universe isebenza kanjalo, ihambisana ngama-duality, i-duality njengokade ngisho so above so below, yabo, okungaphansi okungaphezulu, okuphakathi okungaphandle, ubuhlungu, unzima, ukujabula, ukukhala, uyabo, konke lokho. Njengomlilo, umlilo i-duality, umlilo uyadestroy, uyashisa, uzwisa ubuhlungu, but umlilo futhi uyapheka, uyakhanyisa, yabo. Yes, ilanga, i-duality, ilanga liyi-symbol, signal, where abantu abamnyama they use it as a symbol, where ilanga malivuka ekuseni, cabanga ngayo, ilanga malivuka ekuseni liphume ebumnyameni likhanyise, kuqale kukhanye, likhanyisa imini yonke lize liyoshona ntambama mase kuba mnyama. Nawe mawukade ulele suke kumnyama, mawuvula amehlo kuyakhanya. Usuku lakho imini yonke usuke uvukile, usuwenza izinto oyithandayo, wenza noma ngabe yini ofisa ukuyenza, then ntambama ukhathale, kumele ulale ucimeze, ufana nelanga, ukukhanya, konke lokho. Ilanga li-symbolize ukukhanya, ukukhanya kufana nani, mawukade ungaboni, njengoba kade ngisho kuthiwa kumnyama kulowa muntu, le ngane esikoleni kumnyama ayiboni, mase ufunda usuhlakanipha kuthiwa sekuyakhanya siyabona. Ilanga symbolize lokho kukhanya, lokho kungaphakathi. So i-light consciousness yakho, u-Ra, ama-African ayembiza ngo-Ra. So zonke lezo zinto lezo they teach us kwi-esoteric power, ziba ama-deities ethu, where like back then they use it as ama-deities ethu, ama-gods, ama-symbol kwabanye abantu. So you have to know and learn about all those things, because lezo zinto once they interact with you, they shape your reality, they give you awareness, they change your perception, you know, indlela obuka ngayo izinto, it becomes different than it was. So thina silwa nokuthi sishintshe singabantu, because we're not disciplined, you know. Sishawa ama-psychological triggers, siya-reacta, si-move automatically. Sometimes you have to try to be strong, learn, singabe deceived, singabe manipulated, and try to control indlela esiphila ngayo, singacontrolwa indlela okuphilwa ngayo. Angazi noma uyangi-understand, and try to control indlela ophila ngayo, ungacontrolwa indlela okuphilwa ngayo. Wena ungafocus indlela okuphilwa ngayo, abantu abaphila ngayo, focus endleleni ophila ngayo nofuna ukuphila ngayo, yenza yona mfethu. Choose your identity each and every day. Sivuka uzitshela ukuthi ama-billionaire, ama-trillionaire, ama-millionaire, and I'm working towards that person that I want to become, because at the end of the day lowo muntu ukhona uyaphila kwi-spiritual world, kwi-quantum physics usekhona. Uma umbona ukhona, okwakho ukuthi ufika kanjani kuye. So when you have to work your way up ukufikinyelela kuyena, each and every day you have to be disciplined, be consistent. Kuzokwenzeka mfethu i-grind yakho mhlampe wena unelakho izokuthatha 2 years, omunye 5 years, omunye 10 years, but along the way wena along the way ufinyelela kwi-experience yakho maqondana nayo, because we came here to experience, we came here to feel betrayal, to lose people, to feel pain, and to overcome and to become, you know what I mean. So yeah, it is what it is at the end of the day. So shout out to everyone osilalele kuze kube la. So ngizolokhu ngiphusha nje ama-video, ngiphushe i-awareness. Hit that like button, subscribe, recommend this page to your people kancane kancane nje. So lokho silikhulisa leli page, kuningi kuseza. Njengoba ngasho, incwadi ziyatholakala, impahla ziyatholakala, we're pushing a hustle. This is our neighborhood yesineke nation, iyatholakala nayo ngeyi-order, you know. But asikakafiki kuma-platform njengo-TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, but nje mawuyifuna comment lapho ngizokunikeza. And we're coming, you know, we're coming so strong. We're coming because we are a billionaire project, and we're here to stay. We're here to impact nation. We're here to make as much as we can impact, which is we're here to bring awareness, we're here to bring consciousness to black excellence, you know what I mean. Especially we're touching the African continent, and we expand globally, because we're not gonna stop. We are moving, we're the movement, you know what I'm saying. The movement will never stop. So yeah, shout out to everybody, peace, thank all.